Hello everyone. Welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw a pelican. We split our video into 3 parts: basic sketching, outline and coloring. You can skip to the part which you like to see. Let's start with beak first. Draw long triangle for upper beak. For lower beak, follow the same triangle with curvy shape. Draw eye for the pelican. Now, let's continue to draw head and neck for the pelican. Draw wings in down position. In comparison to body, we drew the lower beak little bit small, so let's correct it. Detail the wings by drawing feathers close to each other. Draw legs. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. We post a video daily. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.